Keep knocking, but you can't come in. You know who lives here? Like some children, people keep coming in and out of this apartment. There's somebody in here because I hear them playing and now they're saying keep knocking, but you can't come in. Like real childish shit. I have, because the guy when they were fixing when they had the fire, maintenance had a fire in this apartment. There was somebody here. They got it on tape. Man, that shit is annoying. Like every fucking day is play. I be hearing him jump rope.
That's crazy.
You know what I mean? Like I hear somebody sitting here.
I'm
like, why the hell I have to come up here every other day?
Yeah.
And you can hear him talking. You keep knocking, but you can't come in.
Well, good luck with that.
Thank you. This young is annoying. Of course. And then with the hallway shit. Like, why the hell are y'all jump roping? Yeah, somebody that should be jump roping and all like noise and all that, you can hear it downstairs. Huh? They playing like kids every fucking day. I know I be hearing jump rope. What the fuck is that? He said a police officer. So I'm like, so the police officer comes and he's not here, so he's not here today. Why are we playing? Now he tells you to say nobody likes you. Y'all really don't know what the fuck y'all doing. This is downstairs. If you can hear me, I know you're scared to open up the door, but the jump rope and shit, I keep coming up here. Can you stop playing? Hi, how are you? Y'all never seen this guy? Because I've seen him once. But like, I hear people jumping, and then I hear like somebody in the kitchen and running water, and I'm like, yes. And I'm like, it's annoying the hell out of me downstairs. If you see him, I'm like, I hear like Bezos kids and all that other stuff. Is mad at me. Huh?
No.
Because I'm like, that junk is annoying.
No.
Okay?
They're here.
Thank you.
They're jumping.
Okay. Because that's the same old thing here.